Before we start, I'd like to thank the sponsor of this video, Arushi Kapoor. She has refused to pay in cash, but she said she'll pay in kind. And by kind, I mean she'll be kind to me for the next 2 days. So thank you, Arushi, for making this happen. Guys, this is Neval. Hello, Neval.
Hi Karan, how are you? Finally.
Bro, this is the first thing I wanted to ask you. You watch F1, right?
Yeah.
The Lewis Hamilton thing.
That's a controversial topic.
Explain it to me why it's controversial.
So basically, there's after many years in F1, so Mercedes has been dominating F1 since 2014.
Okay.
And they have been winning non-stop. Out of the first 100 races Lewis Hamilton did for Merck, he's won 50 of them. Means out of 20 drivers, Lewis Hamilton has won 50 out of 100 races. So
but each F1 में कितने रेस होते हैं?
ऐसा नहीं होता है. सीजन में 20 to 25 के बीच में रेसेस होते हैं, depending on whatever they decide. So out of the first 100 races from 2014 to 2020, Lewis Hamilton has won 50 races. That is, of course, a very big advantage. And now finally, Red Bull has created a car which is good enough to challenge Merck for the championship. So now what has been happening that Lewis Hamilton is not used to it.
To having any competition?
Yeah, actually. I'm not kidding. He's been having competition but only with his other teammates. So now that Verstappen is there, he's young, he's 23 years old. Lewis Hamilton is 36. तो उसको ऐसा लग रहा है कि क्या है ये? कौन? No, actually, that's what I think. That's what I would also think if I was in this place. So, see, Verstappen has won the last, I think, 3 races. And Red Bull has been winning the last 5 or 6 races, which is the first time it's happened since 2013 when Red Bull were last champion. So now it had to happen, bro. For the first, I think, 8 or 9 races, Lewis Hamilton and Max Verstappen has been going wheel to wheel through corners, and it's been like a heated battle.
कौन मतलब who'll come out?
So at this point, it had to happen. Even if you look at the corners, the first few corners of that particular race, they were battling wheel to wheel, and they came so close
to crashing and all.
So now at this corner, what happened was Lewis Hamilton was in the inside and Max Verstappen was in the outside. So Lewis Hamilton missed the curb which he was hitting the whole weekend, and he went thoda wide and it hit the right rear wheel of Max Verstappen and they crashed. Now obviously both of the teams will blame each other. इसकी गलती है, उसकी गलती है. वही they showed the whole discussion.
Bro, I saw, this is the only fucking hilarious part. Everybody's like, I saw the incident after everybody put it up. Like, I don't follow it.
Yeah.
But वो touch किया उसका wheel पूरा उड़ गया, right? And a 10-second penalty, how much does it make a difference in an entire race?
It does. But the thing is that because this was such a championship defining moment, I would say, क्योंकि उसका lead बहुत ज़्यादा था Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen का championship में, and because of this race, Lewis Hamilton won. Now it's come back to I think 8 or 9 points. So it's a big thing, because your main rival is gone.
Yeah.
Even though the crash, many people are saying it's a racing incident, and it's happened in the past also. Very similar crashes, very similar incidents, and they've deemed it as racing incident. But at this moment, they felt a responsibility, कि Max Verstappen out हो गया, he won't score any points this race. So they might have given him a 10-second penalty. But it does make a difference. 10 seconds is quite a bit. They could have given him a more harsh penalty, but they decided not to.
So, every race का winner जो champagne pop करते हैं end में, वो every race के बाद करते हैं कि एकदम season end.
So there are 21 or 22. This season there are 23 races. So after every race, the top 10 gets points, and it's like the league. Whoever has the highest points in the end wins.
But every race winner is also a big deal.
Yeah, because there are only 23 events in a year, not like football.
हर एक week match होता है. I get it. Fuck bro, I want to see this. What I've been noticing is everybody is getting into F1.
Yeah, there's a big reason for that.
the Netflix
That's how
documentary.
I got into it last
Yeah?
year. Last year when I was in Australia,
हाँ.
I was in Melbourne, I was doing my type rating. So,
What?
type rating,
वो क्या होता है?
that is how when you learn how to fly the big planes.
हाँ.
So, my friend, he told me about F1 and all, कि Melbourne में होने वाला है अभी
हाँ.
event. I was like, wow, सही है. And I was always, like, I was never like into F1, but I like used to follow it थोड़ा बहुत.
हाँ.
Can you tell Vettel जीत रहा है, Hamilton जीत रहा है, थोड़ा बहुत मालूम था मेरे को, but I was never like truly into it. And then he told me कि वो Netflix पे series देख, Drive to Survive, and man, that series is
अच्छा है वो.
it's amazing. It's so much drama, so much excitement.
I was considering, bro,
It's too
because on every platform I go, there is like I'm hit with F1 stuff, bro. Clubhouse पे भी लोग F1 का बात कर रहे हैं.
It's amazing.
एक रूम में ज्वाइन किया, एक दूसरे को गाली दे रहे हैं, like Hamilton भोसड़ी का ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है, and this and that. And after the crash incident, whatever this incident, I was speaking to one friend of mine yesterday only, and वो मतलब full is the other कौन सा दूसरा B से क्या उसका अब Verstappen, he is a big fan of that guy, and I don't know, bro, but ठीक है ना, penalty मिला ना, bro. You can't beat Hamilton like that. He's the greatest of all time kind of person. तो पागल हो गए लोग, bro. Like people started arguing like fully.
Because he's been winning since so long, and now suddenly he has this young guy, 23-year-old guy, coming to fucking beat him, and he's doing it.
Yeah.
Not like chance hai, he's doing it. So
Which car does Verstappen drive?
He's in a Red Bull.
Okay, that's the
Name of the
competition.
team. Yeah.
How many like top level companies कौन से are in F1 right now at least?
So there are 10 teams.
हाँ.
There is Merc, Ferrari, McLaren, Red Bull, and there's Aston Martin, there's Alfa Romeo.
Who's winning the like Mercedes is top of the line.
Merc, Red Bull, as of now.
Yeah. But car wise, like who has the best cars?
Currently, I would say Red Bull has the best car. And
What makes it the best car?
That's a tough question. There are many. See, most of the teams: Red Bull, McLaren, Ferrari, and Merc. These are the teams with the biggest amount of money. They can spend.
Yeah, how much?
Now there is a budget cap and all.
But
before they used to spend like $500 million and all developing the car, R&D. Jitna
yeah.
Of course, the more money you spend, the better car you'll have. But now there's a budget cap, so what F1 is trying to do is they are trying to,
fair game kind
they are trying to make racing very close. There are many factors of dirty air, if you want me to explain.
Yeah.
So what that means is that when you're cornering,
हाँ.
the air from the front of the car, because the aerodynamics of the car, the front wing and all the tiny bits on the side and the back. So that, of course, turbulent air पीछे आता है.
Yeah.
So in that, and the car behind that, if you're following, it makes it very difficult because, the car is built to make corners according to normal clean air.
हाँ.
So that's what, when you get turbulent air, the aerodynamics of the car gets fucked up. So you lose a lot of downforce on the corners, which is required because you're turning at such high speeds.
Yeah.
And you need a lot of downforce, so that the car doesn't spin off or something. So that's why they are trying to make the cars next year so that turbulent air becomes way lesser. Compared, you can't eliminate it, of course. But jitna kam ho sake, they are trying to do it, and they've introduced new cars.
Even with the tires, there are 3 types of tires and all.
Yeah,
Right?
so there is hard, medium, and soft tires.
Ah.
So what that means is that if you use the hard tire, it lasts a bit longer, but it's a little slower. It has lesser grip.
Yeah.
And the softer tires, same. It lasts a little lesser, but
You'll
it's
go faster.
Yeah, so they use it for like qualifying, in which you need to set one fastest lap or something. They have like limited amount of tires, I think 12 sets or something for the whole weekend. And they have to use those 12 or whatever. I don't remember the specific amount.
But even with the engines, you can have only specific number of engines per season and all, right?
Yeah, there are many things, bro, like that. You can have, I think it's 3 engines for 20 races. So I don't know how they split it. They don't show all that, but
like one logic doesn't make sense to me that when it comes to R&D and all, right? So abhi like Mercedes level research and all, right? at the end of the day, there is only a finite amount of improvement you can make in a car, right? Like एक point के बाद कितना ही ऊपर जाएगा गाड़ी का, like
That's what you and me, people like
हाँ.
us think, but they are engineers and F1 is the pinnacle of motorsport.
yeah.
So imagine how cutthroat the competition is, and they keep inventing new loopholes, man. Even like to date, they are inventing loopholes around the rules. So it's never over, I would say.
तू Ford versus Ferrari देखा?
बहुत पहले देखा था, but I remember vaguely what.
I watched it again. वो brake वाला incident, you remember? They change out the entire braking this thing. So it's the Le Mans race, right?
Mm-hmm.
तो उसमें like someone was telling me like before the movie came out, long before that, I had a friend who was like heavily into these races and all. Like, but the 2-3 दिन वाले races, मतलब like that,
Yeah.
like proper long ones, you keep going and keep
That Le
going.
Mans is a 24-hour.
Yeah. Like there are these like races which the same companies do, but with different types of drivers and this and that. Like motorsport it's crazy, bro. Like
Yeah.
इतना level क्या चलता है वो, doesn't make sense to me after a point.
बहुत कुछ है. Like F1 is the most famous.
हाँ, yeah.
Le Mans is there, then IndyCar is there, which is famous in the US. NASCAR. India में भी है, but I don't really follow.
अपने यहाँ से कोई है क्या bro? F4 भी रहता है ना, F3, F4.
F3, F4, F2. F2 में एक है. His name is Jihan Daruwala.
Bro, like he's our age. I know of him.
He's
Like,
there
he's-
in F2. He's part of the Red Bull Academy.
Fuck, bro.
He might, I don't know if he does well, Red Bull might promote him in the future to F1. He might get a chance. There was one Narayan Karthikeyan also.
हाँ.
But he wasn't that good. He was in that Vijay Mallya's
Yeah, Force.
Force India.
कैसा था वो? Like how was that?
A decent team, but after that Vijay Mallya got fucked, so they had to.
Is that why we fucked off from F1? Like
Yeah, he got fucked because उसका कुछ था ही नहीं.
क्या crazy है bro.
He had no money, nothing. So his team was bought by some other billionaire.
So now that team is no more
Aston
competing.
Martin.
Aston Martin.
They've become Aston Martin now.
So like all the engineers and the drivers and whoever.
People
who
are
in
the
that.
same.
हाँ.
The team has rebranded itself
Yeah.
throughout the years.
उसका I saw the like I was right now only watching the entire वो तू उसका steering दिखा रहा था, the wheel. It's literally like तू Game Boy
It's a
खेल रहा
game.
रहता है ना, but it's like an advanced Game Boy.
Bro, there are many things in that. You know, even I, and it's not like एक setting लगा दिया and then you do throughout the lab.
हाँ.
They change the fucking settings throughout the lab, bro. If I'll show you a video later. They change the settings throughout the lab. They change the brake bias, like ज़्यादा brake आगे लगेगा, कम brake पीछे लगेगा. They change the engine settings. They change a lot of things. They change the differential. Fuck, that's crazy. Like, even I'm shocked that my friend has a steering wheel
हाँ.
and he has a game in which you can drive an F1 car.
हाँ.
Man, that game is so tough. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. I mean, the game is not tough. So imagine with all the forces in real life and all.
Bro,
How tough will it be?
I read also every 1.8 seconds on an average they change the gears.
Possible.
Like do they? Is it the same gear that
No,
अपना
no, it's
manual?
the paddle shift.
It's on
It's पीछे paddle shift.
जो automatic गाड़ी में आता है like that.
It's that. It's mad. There's something called a sinking gears also. Each corner you have to take at a specific gear, otherwise the car will just spin off.
And like in the curve also, like I used to think that वो curve पे तू slow हो जाएगा और
कौन सा curve?
where the white and red lines are there ना,
No, that they use now to
go faster, right?
Yeah.
ऐसा कैसा?
They are the curbs basically,
हाँ,
which you
हाँ.
say. And they are there so that you can, you know, when you come out of a corner,
हाँ.
so you can take that extra bit of track to, you know, gain some speed. Like, you don't need to ऐसा full turn.
Yeah.
You can थोड़ा टेढ़ा होता है steering, you can put on the power.
The
and
power
just,
and because the traction is higher, the friction is higher there.
Yeah.
Fuck, no, it's mad.
I really like it.
Bro, even I'm getting into it, bro. I'm slowly. I need to watch the series, bro.
I don't know, might be controversial for me to say, but I enjoy it more than I enjoyed football.
No, there's nothing wrong. Like I football, like I play it, I enjoy it. That's why. But
I enjoy it too, and I'm the biggest, maybe not anymore, but I was the biggest Manchester United fan. I still follow it throughout, not throughout, but from time to time, you know. But I like F1 because you know 10 team है, 20 driver है, हर एक दो हफ्ते में एक race होता है. It's easy to follow and it's good and there is so much drama, like there's 10 times more drama than there is.
Yeah, I'm sure. But even with like football also, I think itna drama we don't follow.
That's
like
what the show which I'm telling you about, the Netflix show, उसमें सब behind the scenes दिखाते हैं कि क्या हो रहा है पीछे.
Same on I think Amazon Prime पे.
I've seen
the
that.
Manchester City documentary.
Yeah.
क्या crazy था
बहुत
bro.
सही है. That's what I like. I like to know what's happening.
Yeah.
And in Netflix, बहुत सही है. I really like it.
I'm considering bro. Now that's my next. अभी मैं Succession देख रहा हूँ.
I would recommend it 100%.
देखना है मेरे को. I'm gonna F1 is my next this thing.
Watch it, bro.
Because कुछ भी bro कहीं भी जाओ कहीं ना कहीं तो वो conversation आ जाता है. And I'm sitting there asking questions like this, like bro वो टायर का क्या है मेरे को समझा जरा वो लोग तो क्या चूते हैं.
Can be like overwhelming थोड़ा कि मतलब क्या.
No, but if you see everybody who starts watching anything first starts by just watching it, right? So I just start by watching the people race. Then you get into it. Then like the more involved you are, you understand the fucking remote and everything. Steering wheel.
There are many videos on YouTube, bro. Steering wheel, tire, ये वो.
देखना है bro.
बहुत कुछ है. मैं तो इतना सब देख लिया.
You can simulators भी रहता है ना, like if you want to like start just time pass and all.
Those of no time pass के लिए नहीं होता. So the drivers, if they want to try out something new on the car, because you're not allowed to run the cars unless there's a race or something. It's illegal. So what they do is they do the settings on the simulator and you get a rough idea of how the car would react. So that's for the drivers to practice. If you want to get a rig for yourself, it's very expensive. I don't know how much it is, but I'm sure it will be very.
No, मैं वो simulator मतलब अपना घर पे जो टीवी पे लगा सकते हैं वैसा.
अच्छा.
Like वो जो तो 200 गेम है जिसके पास.
वो तो PS4 का है ना, wheel Thrustmaster it's called.
Like it's an actual F1 steering wheel.
F1 wheel. It's like a normal wheel.
वो wheel
with the paddle shifters and all, and you can have an option to drive an F1 car inside the game. So, with the tracks and all.
Bro, एक PS Move आया था यार, किसमें आया था? PS3 में Move आया था एक.
हाँ वो जो अपना the sensor वाला.
Yeah. वो और Xbox Kinect एक साथ आया था.
Kinect was a huge fail.
Yeah. I think like it started off with like people wanting to they gave the idea that you can work out at home and it was good था मेरे पास. But उसमें games फिर मतलब एक you exhaust. It's like a Nintendo Wii में तू Wii Sports कितना खेलेगा bro?
It's the same logic. Wii and Move. Kinect they advertise it as
no remotes.
No remote, but it didn't turn out well for them.
Bro मैं यहाँ लगाया था पर problem ये था ये कहाँ like distance ही नहीं है मतलब like there is no
Indian houses.
Yeah bro तू कहाँ मतलब hall में लगा के पीछे खड़े रहेगा वो अलग है but that's a but now थोड़ा अभी मेरा मन like in general PS से उठ गया है bro मतलब
मेरा उठा नहीं है. I just I don't know. I wanted to buy the PS5 but it's not available anywhere. And now I just feel like with my job starting and all, hopefully soon.
When are you going to fly? So okay, for people who don't know, Nivan is a pilot. Now certified हो गया ना तेरा सब. So basically like people can call you up and say come for a flight.
Yeah, not now, but what happens is that now that I'm sitting at home, I have a LOI with Indigo.
LOI क्या होता है?
Letter of intent.
हाँ.
So people what they do is either they have two options. They can go for a this conventional pilot. You go on your own, call up any school and they'll hire you or take you order. You pay the fee. Or you go through an airline interview process where they select you and they have a tie-up with one school and they send you for training, and at the end of the training that you come work for us. And you have a contract over 5 years or whatever. So as of now, I'm sitting at home. They will call me. Hopefully, Indigo, please.
If you're watching,
जल्दी बुलाओ.
If Indigo is watching, bro, जो brands को मैं podcast में क्या बात किया है bro, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा Cetaphil जो cream आता है ना, इतना promote किया है because I have sensitive skin and I keep talking about it, so I like keep talking about Cetaphil and all. इतना प्रमोशन
Free
दिया
promotion, please.
लोगों ने मेरे को मैसेज किया है ब्रो तू कितना सीताफल के बारे में बात करता है मैं जाके खरीद के आया हूँ बोला देख ब्रो ब्रांड प्लेसमेंट परफेक्ट है because I'll go off like 8 8 9 9 minutes I'll talk about
खो ही जाता है conversation में खो गया तेरा.
वो ऐसा ही होता है bro but yeah so Indigo show watching fucking call it bro but कितने pilots isn't school expensive
Yeah, it is. I won't lie, it is. There are many people I know who've taken a loan and because of this COVID thing they're really fucked, man. Like इतना interest बढ़ ही जा रहा है. Touch wood, haven't taken a
Yeah.
loan, but it's and especially when you go through this airline thing,
Yeah.
it's even more expensive. Like maybe 30% more expensive, 40% more.
but that guarantees not guarantees but chances of you getting a job
It
are
is
high.
kind of a guarantee only, but now the COVID situation
They
is.
can't give you a guarantee
No, they have. They're still saying
Ah.
that we'll call you soon. We'll call you soon. Whatever they are paying the stipend,
हाँ
and like if you go, lucky G, I didn't go, you know, on my own. Otherwise, I would be really fucked.
घर पे बैठा रहता पूरा
घर पे बैठा रहता. अभी तो फिर भी you know there's a chance that you know Indigo बुलाएगा
हाँ.
ये वो तभी तो जब तक वैकेंसी नहीं खुलता जब तक सब कुछ नॉर्मल नहीं होता
Yeah,
तब तक एंड देन आल्सो यू हैव टू यू नो स्टडी गिव इंटरव्यूज hope that you pass a fucking interview to get a job. Now I don't have to give anything because मैं selection के time पे दे दिया था.
हाँ
अभी सीधा बुलाएंगे.
so now for you it's just like direct flying
Not direct flying. First now when you join.
co-pilot
No, not even co-pilot. The third pilot.
जो
is
पीछे बैठता है हाँ
For observational purposes.
हाँ.
For how many? I think it's 30 or 40 sectors. I'm not sure.
sectors मतलब
Sectors मतलब from Bombay to Delhi is one sector.
okay
and
हाँ
Delhi to
flights basically
Yeah, flight. And then after that, you do your checks, base checks, in which they give you an empty aircraft to fly,
हाँ
and they check your handling and your instrument procedures and everything else. And then once all those checks are complete, then you get released to fly as a co-pilot.
then pilot like,
Then you fly right seat पे बैठ के
हाँ,
take
yeah.
passengers. So it's still a long process, but
at least
हो
that's
जाएगा.
something's happening मतलब as opposed to sitting at home
yeah, it's really all my friends, all my batchmates, are just tired, man. All of them. I don't know if you know Abir.
Yeah.
He was with me, so he बहुत बकचोदी करते हैं घर पे बैठे क्या करें तो.
but people are like through the lockdown people started people who are now like our age and all started like I've seen people like teach for entrance exams and all also
Yeah, you can do that, but personally I have not मतलब
considered that
I'm not considered that because I myself don't remember. I fucking gave my exams in 2017, man. When I got my CPL or whatever, अभी उसके बाद there's a higher license for ATPL, which you require to become a captain now after the co-pilot. So that I'm planning to give soon, and for that I will myself have to study. तो उसको क्या पढ़ाऊँगा?
but private jet का क्या scene है what's the like is there a different process
No, to get a license, to get a CPL, it's the same for everyone.
हाँ
After that, what you do is the real thing. So, if you want to become a private jet, first of all, someone will need to hire you and send you for the type rating of that particular jet, or whatever they.
yeah.
And then after that, I don't know the exact procedure, but I think you have to get type. You definitely have to get type rated for that particular aircraft, like I am for the A320.
हाँ
So whatever, let me Embraer or whatever, you have to get type rated for that particular aircraft, and they might have their own procedures.
but which is the biggest like aircraft you can fly
You have to get type rated on any aircraft.
हाँ but like generally like so अगर तू A3 अभी A320 is like A380 is the biggest one
Yeah, in the world.
Airbus A380 which company
No,
is that
Airbus.
Airbus is the company and the second company is Boeing so only two are making jets
No, there are many aircrafts, many
Commercial
companies, but mainly like 95% Boeing or Airbus here.
Boeing is a Chinese company right
No, American.
American there is
Airbus
no
is a French company.
French but all the part making and all happens there
Have the factory, you know,
like where in what part
in America.
yeah Like they're all 100% homegrown companies and all like ऐसा.
नहीं, the engines are provided by Rolls-Royce, Pratt and Whitney.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
हाँ, Pratt and Whitney है, CFM है. There are many companies which provide the engines. But like mainly the aircraft is designed and everything by Boeing and Airbus. Airbus का is in Toulouse in France. So over there, they are the. If you want to get a new one, then you have to place an order, and then they'll call you to Toulouse, and you come and pick it up, and then you fly it back home. That is also another experience which I want to hopefully soon.
So wait one second. So if agar let's say you start working for Indigo and they buy a new plane, so there's a chance you might get to go to France and pick that plane up and come back.
Yeah, hopefully if I have enough years working, enough experience, they might call me up कि जा France pick up करके plane.
But that's the life, bro. Once you become a regular captain, like at what age do usually people become captains?
Depends on company from company, bro. Some companies have different requirements. So maybe Indigo I think has 3,000 hours or something. I'm not really sure, but that doesn't take time. 3,000 hours will maybe take 3 or 4 years. That's it.
But if you keep flying regularly,
Yeah.
right?
Like pre-COVID times.
Yeah.
Now I don't know, but
अभी more or less तो चालू हो ही गया है, bro. Like
हाँ ऐसा लग तो रहा है.
yeah, because bro एयरपोर्ट पे लाइन तो है, लेकिन इतना पता है मुझे. मैं गया था हम लोग उत्तराखंड, अरे मनाली गए थे, तो like चंडीगढ़ एयरपोर्ट was not that heavy, but बॉम्बे एयरपोर्ट पे तो है ही, bro.
हाँ मतलब they've increased the capacity now from 50 to 65% because of increase in demand. So
Yeah.
I'm hopefully this shit end, man. I'm really.
I know, bro.
मेरे साथ बहुत bad luck हो गया. जैसे ही ट्रेनिंग खत्म हुआ, ready to fly.
I get it, bro. I get it. I understand what you mean. एक तो पूरा साल घर पे बैठ के bro किया क्या, मतलब क्या ही करे bro.
कॉलेज नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
मेरा ऑनलाइन था कॉलेज, बट अभी चल रहा है क्लास मेरा. Right, it's on take. What's the time right now?
It's 5:30.
हाँ 6:30 तक क्लास चालू है मेरा. 4:30 बजे चालू हो.
Online class is really not like
Yeah,
class. You
And
can't pay attention.
it's not, bro. And the problem is, like, even this class that is going on, it's a gender and sexuality class. Okay? Like,
Yeah.
now I have to choose my classes in my last
Okay.
3 sems. This class, ek the teacher, I don't want to be an asshole, but she's too, matlab, like, extra propaganda. Like, not propaganda, but bias in talking. Like,
Yeah.
not throwing shade on her, but that's just how she is. So, मैं क्लास में बैठा घर पे, like if I was in class and if she was in person, she was teaching me, there would be a different vibe. Like face to face, she wouldn't, like we get into an argument every class, bro. हर क्लास में उसके साथ आर्ग्यूमेंट में घुस जाता हूँ, और every class I talk to her, like क्योंकि घर पे बैठे ऐसा मैं चलते चलते ऐसा फोन पे बात करते हैं, like that I'm talking. But if I was in person, I would have a proper, like you understand how people talk, like there's a facial expression, body language. It's very different, bro. और कितना घर पे बैठ के bro क्लास तो नहीं होता है bro.
हाँ मेरे को भी ऑनलाइन नहीं पसंद. It's too much. My attention span has become very less because of all this.
You know when I realized my attention span has become trash, Euro Cup चल रहा था अभी. I couldn't sit through a whole game.
Same. Even I tried.
Bro, there was a span, like not span, there was a time like before COVID and all, के Saturday, Sunday night तो अगर बाहर नहीं गए दारू पीने तो बैठ के 4-5 मैच एक लाइन में देखने का bro. Like and before every match has usually a 10-20 minute gap, right? वो 20 मिनट जो प्री गेम बात करते हैं वो भी देखता था मैं. मैच खत्म होता है उसके बाद इंटरव्यू भी देखता था मैं लोगों. So that 2.5 hours I used to have that, like इधर बैठ के देखता था. Obviously you text and everything regular, but अभी मैं तो फोन पे देखता हूँ because I want to quickly do something else. Like I don't even sit and watch it on my TV.
I think the reason for that is that we are getting very used to reels and TikToks and all this short 15-20 second content.
I know, bro.
वही सीन है.
Like
so I don't personally watch that many reels. Maybe like for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
उससे ज्यादा मैं नहीं देखता.
मेरा आई थिंक 1.5 hour से ज्यादा 1 hour 10 minutes रहता है मेरा पर डेली एवरेज में देखा रिसेंटली देखा यार.
हाँ मेरा भी अराउंड बट आई डोंट वॉच रील्स ऑन दैट.
हाँ
कुछ भी मीम्स और व्हाटएवर.
yeah.
Long videos watch. Well, I watch a lot of vlogs.
On Instagram.
No, on
YouTube. Yeah, bro, मैं YouTube Red लिया the best decision.
Yeah. I was wondering मैं मतलब wondering नहीं सोचा था मैंने कि I'll start a YouTube channel ये but नहीं I can't bro.
But like about what?
Good question. That's what I was thinking. Like I thought I'll make vlogs. But then I thought कि मैं क्या घर पे बैठ
Bro, best content creator है तेरे पास. You don't need bro if she's in your Arushi is in your vlog तेरे को क्या चाहिए bro?
वो तो है but मैं थोड़ी 24 hours उसके साथ रहता हूँ. मुझे हर रोज if I want to grow and all I have to post very frequently.
No.
And I don't even know how to edit, which I've been trying.
तेरे पास Mac है?
हाँ
तो iMovies is the best.
I try थोड़ा बहुत ब्लॉगिंग नहीं ट्राई किया मैंने but I try to edit ऐसे ही छोटा मोटा clips. But it's fine. Let's see. मैंने ऐसा सोचा तो नहीं है कि ब्लॉग चैनल चालू करना है कुछ इतना मेरे को अंदर से वो पैशन नहीं आ रहा है.
I get it. But I've thought about it. Like I think I'll make like.
I'll feature in the vlog.
Aja bro, I'm serious bro. I'm very honestly telling people like I'm only worried about like the jokes I crack with my friends, right? Are one not the most politically correct ones. Secondly, they're not like language is not clean at all. Third, the biggest issue is that it's based on people's like personal life. So I'll crack a joke about someone like in their like जो कुछ relationship में हुआ रहेगा उस पे joke मारे तो मतलब like I can't have that on the internet. Like,
that's true.
I don't know if मेरे को चलेगा लेकिन someone says that to me like I couldn't care less but किसी और का क्या मन
वही तो है. I don't know these big vloggers. I don't know if you heard about that Mumbai Nikhil and all.
हाँ.
He's like one of the most famous ones.
I've not watched a single vlog of it.
I've seen.
I think one issue is that their vlogs are too long, bro. कितना है उसका 15
मिनट. वो मैं देख लेता हूँ उतना attention span है मेरा. But still I would prefer watching little smaller content.
Yeah. Have you watched David Dobrik's vlog? Fucking best.
Me and my roommate Abhi, we used to sit for 2 hours.
Yeah. पूरा line में सब
on repeat. I've seen all his vlogs, maybe like 2 to 3.
Yeah.
I love him. He's too good.
It's so like there's always something happening.
It's very funny.
I fucking love that.
It's very funny.
The level of like I used to उसका podcast सुन bro बहुत मस्त है.
मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं सुना 1-2 एपिसोड सुने हैं मैंने.
बहुत अच्छे है bro.
अच्छा है उसका.
तू कुछ भी नहीं करना है ना तेरे को तो वो बैठ के सुन.
वो टाइम पास पॉडकास्ट.
Yeah.
Intense podcast नहीं है.
थोड़ा like I understood how they fucking edit. Like the reason he's the most like famous one is because वो उसका life तू देखेगा ना bro. Like one thing I fucking really appreciate is it's so quick. Like his edits are so quick.
On the go.
Yeah.
Is on the go.
Like nobody wants to sit in like listen to you. Like,
yeah, exactly.
Vlog hai, it's a comedy vlog. Fucking make people laugh and fuck off.
They do everything. They do crazy shit. Man. They do really crazy shit.
I
people get hurt and they just laugh it off. कुछ हो नहीं रहा है मुझे. Like fuck, paintball gun से मारा थोड़ा कुछ तो reaction दे.
Bro, मैं वही
I would be pissed.
हमें दुखता है bro लगा.
बहुत दुखता है.
मेरे को bowling जाना है bro. मैं वो हीरा पन्ना में पेंटबॉल था याद है. हाँ वो मेरे दिमाग में है. मेरे को bowling का एक खुला है.
किधर?
I think Bandra में Game Palacio a bastard Game Palacio give a free bowling session to me. Devan will also join.
बहुत more people.
बहुत महंगा है bro. 900 रुपया per game है bro.
See that is now चोरी I would say.
Bro बहुत महंगा है bro. Smash 500 ले रहा था.
मेरे को तो bowling personally इतना I enjoy it. It's whatever. Yeah, so I can live without it.
Australia bowling culture is so crazy, bro.
I haven't seen a single bowling.
Right? Because the world's best bowl, I don't know, bro. YouTube is a dark like rabbit hole. Okay, you can get into it. and get down any fucking rabbit hole on
Yeah,
YouTube. Like कुछ भी देख लेगा तू.
किया है मैंने.
हाँ मतलब 1.5-2 घंटा कुछ भी देख लेगा. So I forgot the guy's name. The best in the world, okay. He is Australian and like everybody in like the entire bowling world में जो भी best है, I don't know fucking bowling में कौन best होना चाहता है, but hey, all of them are Australian. It's is it?
I think so.
A
Is it?
sport?
Yeah, I think it is.
Like-
Bowling competition होता है.
हाँ, I know World Championship भी होता है,
तो-
but like, do you consider golf as a sport?
I think it's a leisure sport. I mean, rich people and old
Yeah.
people. I'm sure young people also play.
Yeah.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, but it is. There's a certain skill involved which not everyone has. So it is a sport.
Yeah.
I would say.
But like,
You know, this F1.
huh,
Why did it get banned in India?
why?
It was there, no? You
Ha, ha,
I don't know
ha,
if
ha,
you
ha.
remember 2011, 12.
I know. I've heard of like.
The racetrack in Noida. So the UP government came to F1 and said that this is not a sport and this is entertainment. So we want entertainment tax from whatever ticket revenue and everything you collect. And they're like, नहीं हमें चाहिए entertainment tax because we don't classify this as sport. They should take entertainment tax from fucking IPL, bro.
Yeah,
And
it's more मतलब money
Yeah.
making.
imagine. So then F1 was like, fuck off, we don't want to do it. इतना I think $400 million का कुछ circuit बनवाया है. पड़ा है. People go there and they pay whatever 10,000-20,000 to drive for an hour over there.
You can like
Yeah, but
on your basic मेरा license
हाँ,
देगा तो कर सकता है क्या?
but you need to have a nice car for it, otherwise there's no.
अच्छा मतलब मेरे venue में नहीं होएगा.
नहीं हो जाएगा. They'll let you go, but
क्या ही कर लेगा मतलब तू वहाँ पे जाके back road में चला.
वही.
Bro, there's a
Same thing.
fucking story apparently. I don't know if it's true or not. But back road पे races होते थे.
हाँ.
That's true. That I know.
हाँ.
But वो लोग ने इतना मतलब crazy scene होता था, कोई बच्चे को उड़ा दिया था और सब हुआ था. तो अभी जो स्पीड ब्रेकर देखेगा ना तो बैक रोड पे 10-15 जो लाइन में लगा,
2-3.
एक भी नहीं था.
I remember that.
So
time.
that curve ना, I don't know from where, like ओबरॉय का एक टर्न है
हाँ.
जहाँ से जॉगर्स पार्क चालू होता है. उधर like people used to race and there were proper drag races and everything in that one whole line. Like अभी लोग बहुत चलते हैं वहाँ पर
अरे इधर तो मलाड बैक रोड में भी होता है सब.
पर उधर भी डाल दिया स्पीड
हाँ, अभी डाल दिया बट उधर भी होता था.
ब्रो. I know, but problem क्या है ना bro, as much as I would love for that to flourish,
Yeah.
my fear is that bro,
मुझे ना कोई उड़ा दे.
चल ठीक है मैं तो सोच समझ के निकलूंगा कि fuck bro यहाँ नहीं जाना है, रात के टाइम में डे लाइट में जाएंगे. कोई ऐसा बच्चा दौड़ रहा रहेगा उड़ा देंगे bro, definitely guaranteed कोई ना कोई तो उड़ा ही देगा. And that happened apparently.
I'm not surprised. I don't know
Yeah.
about it, but I can imagine that happening.
होएगा ही bro, definitely it has to happen. People have died also bro. Like every now and then I see bro इधर नीचे ही because on rainy मतलब like people जैसा zoom करके निकलते हैं and it's 4 roads,
Yeah.
right? So someone or the other gets smacked every like once a month. Like I've seen like बहुत heavy होता है.
आजकल यार ट्रैफिक इतना है, अभी कहाँ चलाएंगे इतना तेज.
जगह ही
You know, it took me while coming, took me 10 minutes to remove my car from the building because everyone is fucking blocked. मैं रिवर्स पे खड़ा हूँ, हॉर्न बजा रहा हूँ, कोई एक रिक्शा आ रहा है, उसके पीछे
यार,
दूसरा
कोई जाने
भाई.
नहीं देता.
अरे भाई गाड़ी तो निकालने दे भाई, 2 मिनट रुक जा, क्या ही जाएगा.
मैं कल वडाला जा रहा था रात को मतलब कॉलेज फ्रेंड के घर पे. तो मैं बैरमबाग वाला रोड है ना, टेक दैट फॉर द हाईवे. एक किसी को यू टर्न लेना था तो कोई जगह ही नहीं दे रहा था और सिग्नल पे रुके थे. वो उतर के आके बोला मेरे को प्लीज ले ले, like let me fucking turn. I was like yeah, there's no space bro.
ये सबको घुसना है, किसी को रुकना नहीं है, किसी के लिए भी नहीं. So for the 9 months or 1 year I was in Australia, मैंने literally एक भी बंदे को हॉर्न बजाते हुए नहीं देखा.
Yeah.
एक भी नहीं. And I'm like इधर किसी को जल्दी नहीं है क्या? And people have formed like lanes of proper.
It's not like
Yeah.
topsy turvy. The only place that is similar ना bro is न्यूयॉर्क जाएगा ना तो उधर मतलब like मैं कॉलेज से गाड़ी लेकर हम लोग गए थे
हाँ
तो एक सेकंड में मुझे लगा दिस फील्स फैमिलियर लाइक ये I can drive here very nicely because
especially in the city it's
yeah
really
the
hard.
main your Manhattan area udhar
Very
you
fun.
it's Bombay like
yeah it's fucked there also.
but it's nice like I felt nice that I don't have like otherwise I was very worried कि ज़्यादा fast जाऊँगा ज़्यादा slow जाएगा उधर turn मारने के लिए like you have to there's too much going on यहाँ कुछ नहीं है मतलब निकाल
Feel like home.
yeah bro ऐसा ही था but Australia I'd gone in the 7th standard में गया था मैं और मेरे डैड हम लोग ने गाड़ी लिया था तो इंटरनेशनल ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस we were driving there so you have to keep a good distance between two cars right
You don't need an international driving license. Indian
No?
license भी चलता है because right hand drive ही है उधर. I drove on my Indian license only.
this is I don't know when
Might be, then you might have changed.
long back we
Yeah.
had gone that time we had taken this thing
I think there's like one distance,
Yeah.
one car length you have to keep.
उतना रहेगा but used to the Bombay this thing थोड़ा हम लोग close by yeah that guy stopped the car he got off he's like he
Yeah,
उसको लगा मतलब कोई chase कर रहा है उसको so he came and like why are you chasing me man sorry bro
We are from India. हमें जल्दी है जाने की.
fuck bro it's always like that but on that note bro I think what's the time
5:40.
we're good we have time
Up to you. I'm okay.
an hour ish
कितना हो
we're
गया?
good क्या हो गया bro?
45.
45 चल this is good bro we're good I think we'll stop here bro thank you so much Raman
Bro,
thank you Arushi for making this happen and I'll release him to your unsafe hands now